NDC amanyoko ne nkrabata e wodom kwabenya empesua no so womo ede ato MPP emrahebedwani a wodom kwabenya onwanyafo adwasafo enim se wonhwe na omebu nkonta emfa nkyere womo e wo common fund sika wode eye 5 boreholes anase tunsuo a wotu ede ma omanfo wo mpatam ho no omebu nwa konta e wo afimpinu ni edunan ni mu na eno ena sentrofo ene NDC constituency secretary eye Gabi Asumi ekasa no wode ensembisa bi to apono so se onwanyafo adwasafo meyi ano se wono akwanya ben wo se esese otumi eka omampanyi John Dramani Mahama sem se ketasechane ne proye adokro no ne campaign launch ase na ochire mu se aban ye project ahudo bebre a emfaso pa abaso ede ama oman a ni nyina mu no de senior high school eka hu bia ni nyina no oba beka se omampanyi tasehye ne proye no eyade adokro no
4 years that she has been in office. All what she has been able to do for this constituency is the construction or the drilling of 5 boreholes. So could have cost 10,000, 8,000. And a member of parliament who is accusing, no 8,000, accusing the sitting president of inflating costs. Then what is if you live in a glass house? I don't think that you should be throwing stones.
And watch UTV in Central for an aspiring NDC parliamentary candidate. Eye Nuruddin Mohammed and so ekasai. Emma watch say. Ehia papa se ne mpesua no so wo no wo mo benya asomdwe na so yentem e de atudwa se bamba wonsam de ehia papa e wo so manfo ma wani da ho se de be ya obetimi ahwe na obesi basabasa ye bia anokwan na no mpo e no de MPP Invisible Forces menteme ho ase bi esi ye wo mo headquarters wo no wo de betudwa se se aposifo ye hwehwemu e ma Nuruddin Mohammed kire nsemu se
na yinim se 2016 election se na kan peace bibi san to ye registration ayaku mu nansin me a me PC omo kosisa is Visible Forces for say omo begina mu ma omo eni ye executives e wo various registration centers na me gina hi asotro ye twa masopa enye easy as a PC na ye ko election mu now starting with this statement what do you expect us to do na me can say me it happened in the premises enye around the police station it happened in the police station. Na ye ka say police for sure more investigating. Na ye bomb pa ye say we will be able to come out with something very good.